When you're all finished with your polls, you'll want to create reports. In order to create reports, if you have students sign in, you go to the reports page up here at the top, and it'll have all of your different polls that you've had, and here it'll show you who or how many times it has been answered. I only want to look at the questions that are multiple choice, so I'm going to click all of these to add them to my reports. Alright, now that I have them all set, I can go to Generate Report. And here it lists all the different answers that people have done. I can click over here to click Show My Participants. That way I can see what each person answered. I did not make everybody register, so that's why some of them are in as unregistered people. You can also download it as a spreadsheet. If you wanted to download it as a spreadsheet, maybe your grading program would be able to insert the grades that way. You can also show stats, but it didn't have any stats for me when I did this. The big thing that you might want to do is go into Report Card over on the left side. When you go to Report Card, and then you'll want to do Show My Participants again. The nice thing about it is that it shows you when it's correct. When I created the questions, I was able to mark which answer was the correct answer. So when my students took this today, they were able to go through, and they didn't know what the correct answer was. I had to tell them, but it was able to grade it. So if I go all the way and scroll all the way to the very end, I can see who got 90% right, 80%, 70%, so on and so forth, down to the, of course, unregistered people that were down at the bottom. Since I only allowed students to answer once, it was really a true test of if they knew it and not just seeing what the consensus was. The nice thing here is I can also see who the first person was that answered correctly. And again, I can do a spreadsheet view, I can also do stats again, and I can also show the time received if you're doing this maybe outside of the school day and you want to know when students are sending in their responses, or if they're sending in a response during a period that they're not supposed to be or something like that. That would be another good thing to see.